I'm going to tell you a story of betrayal, deception and revenge. In the savage of the wild, the word murder holds no meaning. It's kill or be killed. Comfort is short-lived here. Mercy has no place in this valley. Ravenous and careless, scavengers take killing to the extreme. Enforced by a brutal hierarchy. Battling the odds of survival, just to do it all over again. When the fight lands on your back doorstep, all differences must be put aside. They're getting too comfortable, feeding off of your plate. Time to establish order, show who holds rank in this kingdom. Stakes are high on both sides. But here death is cold and merciless.